Katuod ka asa kananay. Ay saki. Asa mo daw kananay, bi? Dali, go. Go to nanay. Asa man kananay? Asa kananay dapit, bi? Ay socks.
Halapit ka nanay.
Asa dapit kananay?
Finding nanay.
Find nanay, dali. Find. Where's nanay?
Wala na. Wala kang mundo.
Where's nanay? Dali. Go. Find na po si nanay. Asa dapit si nanay? Sige na. Asa dapit? You get your toy. Where's nanay? Dali. Ina nanay, I have a new toy. Where's nanay? Where's nanay? Where's nanay? Where's nanay? Where's nanay? Huh? Is that nanay?
This one, nanay.
Where's nanay? Where's nanay? Huh? Where did they bury nanay? Where did they bury nanay? I socks. Come on, look. I socks. Where's nanay? I socks.
Yeah. Then she died. When we go up, I saw
Hi, Nay and Tatay.
Mama will be old na. Okay? Okay?
Mama, I'm gonna dig, Nanay.
You're gonna dig, nanay?
Yeah.
Why will you dig, Nanay?
Because I'm gonna see my Nanay.
You miss nanay? Do you miss nanay?
Yeah. Can't dig it. We need the excavator.
Do you want to dig, Nanay?
No.
Why?
That's all the dead.
Oh. Nanay and Tatay are underneath the ground.
What? Tata is not underneath the ground.
Where
It's
is...
on the sky.
Oh, Tata is on the sky? How about Nanay?
Ay, wala na.
How about Nanay?
Nanay still there.
It's still there. Where?
Ay, kawat na nilang ano.
Oh.
Huh?
No?
Hmm. Where?
What did you say?
The roses. The solar roses. Did you still remember?
Yeah.
The roses with lights?
Ma,
Yeah.
kasi mo kawat.
Where are they? Where are the light roses? The lighted solar roses?
Chapel yun, yung binyagan ng patay.